Hello! In this video I am going to create a photo mode for my game Astrodition. The player will be able to move a camera around and take pictures using Steam's Screenshot API within Unity. The screenshot will store the in-game location as well as who took the picture and everybody else who is in the same lobby. I have made a script called photo mode. This will be in charge of everything to do with the screenshots. So once you have Steamworks installed, go ahead and import it. So this function that I'm making called start screenshot is going to check that the Steam overlay is enabled before it takes a screenshot. This is just because the Steam overlay is required for us to trigger a screenshot. Once the Steam API has taken the screenshot, we can add more to it by using a callback. To set this up, we create a screenshot ready callback and create a function for it to call. This function has a screenshot ready parameter which we can use to check if the screenshot has successfully been created. In order to set the location of this screenshot, we use the Steam Screenshot API and pass in our screenshot callback and the string that we want for the location. We can also tag the current user that's playing. Much like before, we pass in the screenshot callback, but we also need to provide the Steam ID of the user that we want to tag. We can get this through this steamuser.getSteamID function. Also, we can put these functions in an if statement because they will return true if the operation is a success. So in order to test this out, I'm going to invoke the start screenshot function 5 seconds after the game has started. Also, this callback should be protected, which I missed. So we can go ahead and build the game, and when we start playing it 5 seconds after the game starts, it does take a screenshot. So we can share this screenshot, and in the picture description we do see the text that we set as well as the user. Sometimes the game will not launch with the overlay enabled. If you add these lines, if it launches and it's not enabled, it will restart it with the Steam overlay enabled. Now I'm going to take what we've done so far and turn it into a photo mode. I have this satellite that I can currently fly about, but I also want to take pictures with it. On the photo mode class, I'm going to add an overlay camera. The idea is when we do want to take a picture, we use this overlay camera to copy the location and rotation of the satellite's camera and then take a screenshot and move back to the normal camera. So that is what I've gone ahead and programmed, and I've also added in a little failsafe. So if the Steam callback does not happen after 1 second for whatever reason, it automatically goes back to the normal camera. I have also made it more specific to my game because the location is either orbit of Ceres or the surface of Ceres. And last but not least, at the end of the callback function, we turn off the overlay camera so we can go back to the normal player camera. And here we can see it in action. I can fly the satellite about, line up a shot, and take a screenshot. And when the screenshot is taken, the overlay camera turns on. After the screenshot is taken, the overlay camera turns off. And these are the pictures that I've just taken, complete with a location and a tagged user. Thank you very much for watching. My game Astrodition is available to wishlist now on Steam. It would be much appreciated if you could, and have a wonderful day.